My voice is clear?
Yeah, now it's good.
Okay. Okay. Any doubts from yesterday class?
No.
No. Okay. And as today onwards, we start. My next panel is my insert. Okay. In the insert
Yes.
panel, we talk about the charts. Okay, you know about the charts, right?
Yeah, mostly graphs and stuff like that.
Yes, mostly graph and stuff like that. Second, I need some data for this chart. Okay. Here we have this data, and then I want to make one of thing is my dashboard by use of the charts, right? And here we have to first of all I want to insert any shape for looking goods as a heading of the dashboard. Okay, any of shape here is the shape of many of them. Okay, I choose this shape and then write the heading of the thing and just use it and then right click on it and then just edit text and here what you do, let's say it dashboard. Okay, and this is your data. I align with center and then also change this size. Okay, that's good. Okay, and this is small. Okay, and then also I format the shape. When we have to make the shape, then we got the shape formatting option, right? Okay, and then here we format to save as your wish. Okay, I format just like this. Okay, and then you have the save fill color. We can change the self fill color, outline colors. Okay, and then if I apply the self effect. Okay, anything you can use it right here. Okay, if you want, then you do it. Okay, bevel, reflection, glow, 3D rotation, anything you can do it. Yeah. It's simple. I just create a heading of my dashboard, which one I want to create here. Okay, simple. You can also create your dashboard by use of the data and charts. Okay, by inside your Excel also. Okay, then come to the this part here. If you have to show that here we have the recommended charts option also, and we have to multiple types of charts here. Okay, when we select this value to this value, okay, and then if you are click on the recommended charts, then what will we give to this parts? Here we make this some chart for you. Okay, it's line charts. Okay, it's for four charts, and then is your line and charts are the common charts you can make by the this parts. Okay, if you select this one and you select each one, two, three, perfect. Okay. If you use this recommended chart, it's to recommend you who's your charts you wanna use it for this part. Okay, for the using these charts, using 100% straight chart, using this type of charts, if you're using straight chart, this type straighter charts, this type of charts. Okay, many of them have this type. Okay, as you okay, as you wish which one charts you wanna make this. Okay, if you want to make this type of charts, just click on it and this charts will be appear. Okay. Just place here and then here we have some style option, right? Okay, and then what you do right here, first of all make some else here we have the options for format your charts. Okay, by use of this thing you can also format your charts right here. Okay, for looking better. Okay, format your chart like this, and then if you want to apply the chart title, anything you can want to apply right here, Then here we have the option charts element. Then when you click in here, then what you go here, axis. Okay, which axis? We have its primary and horizontal axis. Just click on the axis, then your axis will be gone. When we click on this path, we show the axis values. When we want to axis title, just click on the axis title, then we go to axis title. When we want to data labels, then we click on the data labels, and you show the data labels also. But here we don't need to be data labels because the chart is so small. If you want to increase the chart size, then you can increase also. Okay. Suppose I increase it because I want to show the data, and then use a data label right here. Then my data label will be also shows. Okay. If you want to make a data table instead of this, then you can use it. And then airbus you can want to share this, you can do this. And trend line we want to show this. Okay. Ch1, Ch2, which one are you basis? Okay, then you can make this part. Okay, simple as charts here. Okay, first of all, I added the charts title, marks. Okay, all subjects marks. Um, you can want to bold, and you can use support. And then access title is marks, and then here we have the name of students. Okay, here we have got this data, right? And then if you want to display this series name, then how can we do that? How can we change the Ch1 to my subject 1, Ch2 to subject 2, and Ch3 to subject 4? Just denote this is my subject 1, this is my subject 2, and this is my subject 3, this is my subject 4, this is my success 5. How can we change these values? For this purpose, you use the go to the chart design part, and then here we have the option is the select data. Okay, and just click on it. Here we have to have the data of the is this chart. Have you have this Cs1, Cs2 sheets, and then here we have the name. I want to change this Cs1 to subject one. Then what you do? Just go to the edit option, select this one, and then go to edit option. And right here is this is name is my series, not Cs1. This is subject one. Okay, and click the OK. Then again, Cs2, edit it, and then you want to do the subject two. Then click on the subject two. Okay, then again go to edit this, and right here is a subject tree, then okay. And then come to the next part here. We have the subject 4, then right here is subject 4. And then at last we have subject 5. Then you write here the subject 5. Yeah. And then if you're done, then click on OK. Right. Here we have this data. And here you have the other option is chart style. Chart style, you want to manage your chart style and change the chart style, then you can also use this part. Okay. I use normal colors. Okay. Here you have to select your own color side here. And then here we have the filter option also. You want to filter anything by use of the subjects, by use of the categories, anything you can apply here. Then you can also filter these values. Okay. If you don't want to show some values, then we can hide it. And if you want to show these values, then you can use it. Okay. Then you can also use the filters options right here. Okay. This is simple. How can we add it to your charts? Okay. Then come to the next one is my how to create charts by other ways. This is my first charts, right? This is column charts, column and bar charts. Okay. And here we have the 2D column, 2D bar, 3D bars. Okay. Here these are types of charts we have. Okay. First of all, we have the chart is cluster column. Cluster column is used here. This is my cluster column type of charts. Here we make this thing. Suppose here I want to make first select one and then select next one percentage, and then we click on it. Then we got this value. Okay, this is my simple cluster chart. Okay, where you can cluster your charts, and then you can also have to use the multiple values at a time. This is also above chart is also my cluster chart. Okay, here we have this usage. Next one is my straight chart. When you use the straight chart, okay, For straight chart, what's the mean of the straight chart? Here we for the for a single use we don't is similar like the my and a cluster chart, but here we if you use double values, suppose I delete this part, and then if I use here as double value, first and second value right here, and then I use cluster charts. Okay, here we use the cluster chart, then I get this type of thing. But when we use when you use state chart, then what will you see that this here we have to total 200 values, and this is with addition of this part. Okay, add two values and then show this, and then different colors will show different values, right? So here we have to this use this charts, right? If you wanna do it, okay, I paste it this thing. And then if you want to apply the exercise, then use it. Then data labels you can also apply offer this part, okay? And then if you want to format this thing, then you can also format this part. Sorry, I want to format all of this. Okay, so simple way you can use this thing. And then this is my simple charts is my cluster charts where you have to cluster all the values. Okay. And next one, well, we have to, this is my straight chart. Next one is my 100% straight chart. What's the mean of 100% straight chart? Just come to this parts. When we create the 100% straight chart for this parts, you need the value first. And this is my, suppose here we select all values, this values, and this values, and also for these values and these values. I use it. And then right here, select 100% straight chart. Then what you get here? Here we have the value is 100%, but for the multiple values, you show the percentage of the overall. Okay, which one have the percentage of overall contributes percentage of the overall? 30% which one contributes is okay. How many percentage which person will be contributes? Okay, here we have these values, right? Okay, not a highest percentage, but here is these values. Okay, exercise we can write here. Okay. This level shows these values is contribute that much of data, this much of values, that much of values. Right? Okay. This is simple. You can create your charts.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Other charts we will talk about is next one is my line charts. Okay, here we have the same thing by use of the 3D way. Okay, same thing. This data we can use this data for the same way by use of the 3D way. I select this values, right? And then for this purpose, I use its 3D charts. Okay. Here we have this type of 3D charts. When we use this 3D straight charts, then here we have the 3D 100% straight chart, and then here we have the 3D column charts where we column in separate rows. Okay. This was a 3D value. So if you want to show in this form of the 3D, then you can also use this type of charts. Okay. And simple way you can use it. Okay. And then yeah, we want to do the bar charts in the my cluster bar charts. Okay, then you can also use it for horizontal and vertical way. Okay, same thing. This are the same, and then 3D same of the 3D parts of the this parts. Okay, you can choose your own self what you want to to do, and if you click on the more column charts, yeah, to show this you have the or other column charts options are there. Okay, this type of column charts are there, this type of column charts are there. Okay, yeah, we have the multiple column charts option will be there of the this parts. Okay, we select which one you do. If you want to select the cluster column, then we have the two option like there. Okay, if you want to select the straight column, then we have to for this purpose the straight to have option. Okay, and then if you want 100% straight charts, 100% charts, we have two multiple option right here. Use anything you can if you want. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Next one will come here to free line chart. This is called my simple line charts. Here we have the line charts, right? When we click on the line charts here, then we can create this type of line charts. Okay. This is my simple line where we want to show the values. If you want to separate this line, then you can use a straight line chart. Okay, this straight line chart is separate two values. Okay, by 200. Okay, and then second one is my 100% check. That first one is 100%, and then we show this the values which one has contributed. Okay, and then next one is we want to points on this time. Then line with marks. So you can use the line with mark and line with mark charts. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we check 100% when we use this type of charts here. And then if you are, I show this is stripes. Here we have the exercise right. Here we have the data levels also. Air bars also, trail line, and upper up and down bars also we have this part. Okay. Okay. And then same is in this parts we have the filters option, color options, everything you have this parts. Okay. And for this parts we have the chart design. Right here is we have to chart design. The simple one. If you format this thing, then you can format the shape and then say format your shape of the charts. Make better way. Okay, next one we show this here. We have the 3D line charts where we want to 3D view of the chart, then you can use this. And if you want to surface area chart, then you can also use the 2D area charts. Okay, this is my area charts. Okay, 100% straight area charts, 100% charts. Okay, 100% straight area chart. This is my straight area charts. Okay, and then you use the 3D area charts, and you can also use this part. Okay, to which one you want to show this for your data visualization purpose, then you can use it. Okay, when we click on the more line charts, then if we have a same type of options. Okay, to the option what you want to do it. Okay, this is a simple way of the making your line charts, right?
Yes,
Then come to the pie charts, and you know about the how we use for pie charts. Why you use the pie charts? You
it's
know that.
basically it's basically showing a value of 100.
From the value of hundreds, okay, in percentage format for 100 percentage formats, and which one values contribute is in this part, right?
Correct.
For this purpose, I choose this name and then choose this my average marks, right? So select this average marks and then I choose the pie charts. Okay. Here we have the pie charts. We have the multiple type of pie charts right here. Okay. Which one you use it? Donut charts we have. Same is a pie chart. Not have any but this look like it's better way. Okay. Then you can use the pie charts right here. Okay. Show the pie charts and then place it. And here, which one option we have this charts. When have the data labels, the site has a data label for showing the data labels. Then we have the license value, okay. And then you want to make this chart as interactive way, then you can use this part also to do this. Okay, this is simple way of charts. We can show the 100% values. Which one values is contribute to your the overall the values. Okay, overall marks which student contributes. Suppose this student is contribute less, is contribute way. By use of this way, we can show these values, right? Okay, simple way. This you can create it. Okay. Next one we will have the tree map. Okay. Tree map. You know about the tree map? What's the use of the tree map?
I never used it. No.
To,
Tree map is also 100, I think. It's just in a different format.
yes, but it's in rectangular formats. Okay. Suppose here I select total marks right here, and then you can use these parts. Yeah, this is same as like your pie chart, but difference is this is show up blocks. Okay, called rectangular blocks, and then this block show the how many values are there for this part. Because we shall have the lowest value, then we got the size is smallest, and then which one value is the largest, then you can show the largest values. Okay, this was my pie chart. Okay, you can use this chart right here. Any of the designs you can use it. Okay, simple. As same as like your data of the pie charts, but say difference is this is show it's a rectangle blocks. Okay. For the Excel purpose, it's not necessary to use, but in the data analysis purpose and data science students, this type of charts is used wisely. Okay. Next, here we have to see data charts here for the when we don't want to this type of T map, then you can use this type of sunburst also. Okay, sunburst is same as like a donut charts. Okay, to which type of you can use it. Okay, T map and sunburst, and for more hierarchical charts, you can click on it. Then we got here sunburst. Okay, we have this option only. Okay. Then come to the next part here is my histogram. Histogram, you know about the histogram. Yeah, you know about the histogram?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because histogram
Uh,
is wisely used, okay? Line, column, and pie charts and histogram I use as so much. This charts is come to the new, okay? But other charts is I use many of times. Suppose here I check the value is percentage and this parts, and then we select the sugar, right? Okay. Then what you do, this is divided into in a three parts, right? And then make the sugar, okay? When we show the values of up down, then we can use the histogram, okay? And this purpose, we can also show the trade line with this, okay? This is my histogram, okay? Simple limit. And then we can you also use the box and whisker graph, okay? This does not look like good. I just prefer this trick. Uh, Okay. Yeah, we have these values and have this percentage right here. Put this as your wish. Sorry. Next one here, let's see you have the next chart is a scatter chart. Okay. Scatter chart is widely used for when you have the two values. Okay. When we want to compare two values, suppose subject one and subject two. If you want to compare this type of values, then you can use it. Okay. I select these two values and then here I make this type of thing. Then here we have this value. Okay. In this case, we don't have the name. Here we have the two values, and after that we can make this thing. Okay. A scatter chart mainly used for the comparing two values. Okay. Two values dot and then show the dots is here, dots is in prayer. In this part, we have the x values, x part values, and y part values. Then we can create this part thing. Okay. And this is in this part we have the bubble charts also. Okay. Which one you want to do show it. Simple way. This is scatter. Scatter chart is used for where x and y values on work on the x and y values. But with this purpose, in this graph, we don't need this part because here we have to compare with the name and values. But here for the scatter, we have to compare with the values with values. Okay.
okay. Uh, so Sherry, can we finish a little early today because I have something to do?
Okay. Okay. I'll finish this. Okay. Okay. Next one is waterfall charts. Waterfall charts is mainly used for the showing data. Okay. And then other charts is not so much necessary right here. Okay. Uh, Here we have the waterfall charts where we show the values for second, third, and fourth. Okay. And then next one is my funeral charts. One second, okay. I put this value as site. Okay. And then I explain this in by one chart. Okay. This is my waterfall chart where we have two last values upside and then down gates we use 0, 100, 2%, 500, and 8%, 800%, right? And then come to the next part is my funeral charts. Okay. You have to show this name is a horizontal way and then the values in this part. Okay. Then you can this is type of is called a funeral charts. Okay. And for the check charts, high and low cases. Okay, this is not used for this purpose. Okay. This is for two values, light here. Okay. And sorry, yeah, before the 2 days I says, okay. For radar charts, you can also use the radar charts type of thing, okay, for looking better. Okay, not needs to necessary for this pass. Okay. And for other charts, I delete this. For two value, we take it. Then we can use, sorry, this chart is not working for high and low values. Here, next one is my here combo charts. Combo charts are used for the combined others values. First of all, use this thing subject one, subject two. And then here we use combo charts. Okay, this is my combo charts, right? Okay, to use this combo chart for the combining two values, two datas. Okay. I think I mistake for the selections. Okay, here same way you can use it. I think okay, subject true is also selected. That's good. Okay. Here we have the combo charts where we bar graph and line graph both are makes at test place, and then here we have the others values, and then uh, area charts also. Okay, this is combo charts. Okay, next one, what you do here, we have the map charts. Okay, map chart is generally used for the showing the values. Okay, map values. Okay, here we have the values for the area. Okay, your area, you have the any area like a geographical map. Okay, if you have the country, region, anything, you can use this part by use of this string. Okay, this is showing just the map values. Okay, but in this case I don't suggest this part is the the inside the excel. But here if you learn something in your power bi, here with this working is very good. Okay, but here we don't like work this better. Okay. Okay, here we have this charts, and then I want to make this by use of this chart an interactive dashboard. Okay, better dashboard by visualize all the datas. Okay, all right, Hemant, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Yeah, sorry, I put you on mute.
Okay, to make this a one of the interactive dashboard by use of this datas. Okay, and show me as tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and then we continue as tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay.